Hello seniors, I'm Arya, your digital daughter, and I am here to show you how to use the library feature in the UnlockLife app to discover interesting topics and tips. Open the UnlockLife app and tap on the library option on the right. As you can see here, we bring to you the best topics and tips from a variety of categories. To become comfortable with technology, see our Take It Easy videos in Hindi and in English. To see the world from the comfort of your phone, see Digital Tours, where we travel with you to Paris, NASA Center, Grand Canyon, and many more places. To unwind and relax, listen to thoughtfully created playlists under music and meditation. To pick up a new hobby like mobile photography or sketching or crochet, tap on Hobbies. And we have good news to cheer you up. And good talks where we share how and why we are creating UnlockLife for seniors. We even have games for you that will make you feel excited and energized. UnlockLife Library is just like other libraries we have known since childhood. It's a place where everyone feels welcome and safe place to learn at your pace. We hope this was helpful. In case you need any help regarding how to use library, do call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411. Thank you for trusting us. See you again soon.